All of the 13 people who went missing Thursday morning on the Cangshan Mountain in southwest China's Yunnan province have been confirmed alive, with 7 rescued and 6 located. Speaking via satellite phone, the group's leader said the remaining 6 people had adequate food and water. The group of 13 people was reported missing on the Cangshan Mountain after they circumvented a checkpoint and entered the mountain without notifying local authorities, according to authorities in Yangbi County, Yunnan. Over 200 rescuers have been sent to the mountain to search for the missing people. Those who have been found are in good condition. MS Television reports.